Our sun, a blazing ball of plasma, is a magnificent celestial body that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Its surface is a seething cauldron of nuclear reactions, producing an immense amount of energy that radiates throughout our solar system. This energy is the very essence of life on Earth, providing the warmth and light necessary for plants to grow and for ecosystems to thrive. Solar panels capture this energy, converting it into electricity to power our homes and industries. But the sun is not just a benign provider of energy. It also harbors a tremendous power that can threaten our modern world. Solar flares, sudden eruptions of intense high-energy radiation, can have significant impacts on our planet. The sun's surface is a chaotic dance of magnetic fields, constantly shifting and interacting in complex ways. These magnetic fields are generated by the movement of plasma within the sun, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. When these magnetic fields twist and snap, they release bursts of energy known as solar flares. These flares can emit powerful streams of radiation that travel through space at the speed of light, reaching Earth in just over 8 minutes. Sometimes these eruptions are accompanied by the ejection of a massive cloud of charged particles into space. These particles, primarily protons and electrons, are hurled outwards at incredible speeds. We call these events coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. They are among the most powerful and dramatic phenomena in our solar system, capable of releasing billions of tons of solar material into space. These CMEs travel at incredible speeds, sometimes exceeding 1,000,000 miles per hour. Depending on their trajectory, they can reach Earth in a matter of hours or days, carrying with them the potential to cause significant disruptions. When a CME collides with our planet's magnetic field, it can trigger geomagnetic storms. These storms are caused by the interaction between the charged particles from the CME and the Earth's magnetosphere, leading to a cascade of effects. One of the most visible effects of geomagnetic storms is the beautiful display of auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights. However, these storms can also disrupt our technology in profound ways, affecting satellite communications, GPS systems, and even power grids. The fury of the sun is a reminder of the delicate balance we must maintain with our star, harnessing its energy while respecting its immense power. The sun experiences periods of increased activity, marked by a greater frequency of solar flares and CMEs. These periods peak roughly every 11 years, forming what we call the solar cycle. Understanding this cycle is crucial for predicting the likelihood of a CME impacting Earth. During periods of peak solar activity, the risk of a powerful CME striking our planet increases significantly. We need to be prepared for these events, even if they are relatively rare. In 1859, the largest recorded geomagnetic storm, known as the Carrington Event, struck Earth. This event serves as a stark reminder of the potential power of CMEs. Back then, the impact on technology was minimal. Telegraph systems, the most advanced technology at the time, experienced disruptions and even fires. Imagine a Carrington-level event occurring today. Our world is now deeply reliant on electronics and interconnected grids. The consequences would be far more severe, potentially crippling communication networks, power grids, and essential services. Our modern society is interwoven with a complex network of technologies that are vulnerable to geomagnetic storms. Satellites orbiting high above Earth's protective atmosphere are particularly susceptible to the onslaught of charged particles from CMEs. Damage to satellites could disrupt GPS navigation, communication systems, and weather forecasting. On the ground, power grids with their long stretches of conductive wires act like antennas, picking up the surge of energy induced by geomagnetic storms. The silent threat CMEs and our power grid. Coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, are massive bursts of solar wind and magnetic fields rising above the solar corona or being released into space. These powerful solar events can have profound effects on our planet. The most significant threat posed by CMEs lies in their potential to disrupt our power grids. These grids are intricate networks of transformers, substations, and power lines that deliver electricity from power plants to our homes and businesses. These grids are the backbone of our modern world, supplying electricity to our homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure. Without them, our cities would be plunged into darkness, and our daily routines would come to a grinding halt. A powerful geomagnetic storm triggered by a CME could induce geomagnetically induced currents within these grids. These currents can overload transformers, causing them to overheat and, in some cases, explode. This could lead to widespread blackouts that could last for days, weeks, or even longer. The consequences of such a blackout are far-reaching. Imagine a city like New York or London suddenly losing power. The immediate impact would be chaos, with traffic lights failing, public transportation coming to a standstill, and people trapped in elevators. Hospitals would struggle to function, relying on backup generators that might not last long. Communication systems, including the internet and mobile networks, would fail, making it difficult to coordinate emergency responses. Our daily lives would be thrown into disarray with no access to basic services. The economic impact alone would be devastating. Businesses would be forced to close, leading to significant financial losses. The stock market could crash, and the global economy could be thrown into turmoil. The ripple effects of such an event would be felt worldwide, highlighting the critical importance of protecting our power grids from the silent threat of CMEs. Preparing for the storm steps for resilience. In this section, we will explore the various measures that can be taken to safeguard our infrastructure and communities from the potentially devastating effects of coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. While the threat posed by CMEs is real, it is not insurmountable. Understanding the science behind these solar phenomena is the first step in developing effective strategies to counteract their impact. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to predict and mitigate the effects of CMEs on our planet. By taking proactive steps to prepare, we can mitigate the potential impacts and enhance our resilience in the face of such events. This involves a multifaceted approach that includes both technological advancements and community preparedness. One crucial step is to harden our power grids, making them more resistant to the effects of geomagnetic storms. This includes upgrading transformers, installing protective relays, and ensuring that our electrical infrastructure is robust enough to withstand the intense electromagnetic forces generated by CMEs. These upgrades are essential for maintaining the stability of our power supply during solar events. Another innovative solution is the development of microgrids. These smaller, localized grids can operate independently in the event of a larger grid failure, providing a reliable source of power to critical facilities and communities. Microgrids are particularly useful in remote or vulnerable areas where the main power grid may be more susceptible to disruption. On an individual level, we can prepare by having emergency kits readily available. These kits should include essential items such as flashlights, batteries, canned food, water, and medical supplies. Being prepared at home can make a significant difference in how well we cope with the immediate aftermath of a CME event. Additionally, staying informed about potential solar storms and having a family emergency plan can further enhance our resilience. Community engagement is also vital. Local authorities can conduct workshops and drills to educate the public about the risks associated with CMEs and the steps they can take to protect themselves. By fostering a culture of preparedness, we can ensure that everyone is better equipped to handle the challenges posed by these solar events. Continuous monitoring of solar activity is another key component of our resilience strategy. Satellites and ground-based observatories provide real-time data on solar storms, allowing for timely warnings and the implementation of protective measures. This early warning system is crucial for minimizing the impact of CMEs on our technological infrastructure. Ultimately, building resilience against CMEs requires a collaborative effort. Engineers, scientists, policymakers, and communities must work together to develop and implement effective strategies. By combining our knowledge and resources, we can create a more resilient society capable of withstanding the challenges posed by solar storms. The importance of calm avoiding panic. In the face of potential threats like CMEs, it is essential to approach the situation with a level head. Panic and fear can be paralyzing and counterproductive. Instead, we should focus on understanding the risks and taking sensible precautions. Spreading accurate information and avoiding sensationalism is crucial. We can look to scientific experts and credible sources for guidance. Knowledge is power, and understanding the threat is the first step towards mitigating it. Knowledge is power. Empowering ourselves. We must foster a culture of preparedness, encouraging individuals, communities, and governments to take the threat of CMEs seriously. This includes investing in research to better understand and predict these events. We also need to educate the public, equipping them with the knowledge and tools to prepare for potential disruptions. By working together, sharing information, and supporting initiatives aimed at enhancing our resilience, we can collectively face the challenges posed by CMEs and safeguard our technological civilization. Our cosmic future. Embracing the unknown. As we venture further into the cosmos, we must acknowledge the inherent risks and uncertainties that come with exploring the vast expanse of space. CMEs are just one example of the cosmic forces that can impact our planet. By embracing a spirit of preparedness, fostering scientific understanding, and promoting collaboration, we can navigate these challenges and continue our journey of exploration and discovery, ensuring a brighter future for humanity among the stars.